Hi, I'm Anne. I'm an entrepreneur. I run two businesses, and I'm also a mom of two crazy little munchkins. My son is 2 and my daughter is 9 months old. And after the birth of my daughter, Nala, when I started working again, I just really had trouble coming back with my energy. I was really tired all the time. I was still nursing, and I was just waking up in the morning feeling like I'd been hit by a truck. I'd open my eyes and I was so heavy, and I just was going for my coffee, waiting for that to wake me up, and that wasn't doing anything. And by 2 in the afternoon, my brain, I thought I was just attributing it to mommy brain, hormones, brain fog, but by 2 in the afternoon, I was so tired and I couldn't concentrate on anything. And on top of that, I also started a few months ago to struggle with a bit of stress. So both of my businesses have been quite busy, but I was just starting to feel a little bit anxious in the morning when I'm trying to get things done and my kids are distracting me, and I'm worried if things aren't going right. And I was getting this kind of tight feeling in my chest, like anxious, a little bit hard to breathe, a little bit sweaty. And I was telling a friend of mine about this, saying I was looking into bulletproof coffee, some other things that, I was just trying to improve my energy and focus. And he said, why don't you try this Relax formula? It's an adrenal repair formula, and it's really going to help you sleep. And I thought, well, I don't have trouble sleeping. I always fall asleep the second I hit the bed because I'm so exhausted. And he said, look, just try it anyway. It's really going to help you feel better, feel like you've had a better night's sleep, and with your energy. So the first night when I took it, I fell asleep and I had dreams. Not scary dreams, just your average, during the night dreams. But normally, I never dream at all. And I thought that was because I was sleeping so heavily. But I read an article recently that REM sleep is when that's the healthiest type of sleep in terms of repairing your body and having, your mind reset and all of that. And that's when you're dreaming. And I was never dreaming. And so I continued taking the Relax every night, and I realized I was dreaming every night, and I was waking up in the morning, and I felt refreshed and ready to go. I was waking up light and energized, and not like this heavy, I need to go and run for my coffee. And the other thing that happened right away, just within a few days, was I really stopped. I'd start working in the morning, and I stopped feeling that tightness in my chest. And anytime that I did start feeling anxious, I would just take 1 or 2 capsules of Relax during the day. It wasn't making me tired or anything. I would take it, and it just really helped that feeling go away. So for me, as a busy mom and a busy businesswoman, Relax has helped me not only with my energy and focus, but also my stress. And now I get to have really beautiful dreams when I'm sleeping. So thanks, guys, and Relax comes highly recommended from this mompreneur.